Introduction to SEO. What is SEO and why is it important? Differences between organic and paid search. Ever wondered how some websites seem to just pop up at the top of your search results? Let's unravel that mystery today. In the bustling city of the Internet, how do you make sure your little shop gets noticed? The answer: a superhero called SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Think of it as the neon sign and catchy music that draws people into a store. It's all about making your website more visible when someone types a query into a search engine. Why bother? Simple. The higher you appear in search results, the more visitors you get. And more visitors? That's more potential fans, customers, or subscribers. Imagine you're in a huge marketplace. SEO is like having the brightest stall with the most attractive offers. Now, there are two main flavors of SEO: organic and paid. Organic is like a tree that grows over time. It's natural, based on the quality and relevance of your content. And the best part? It doesn't cost a dime. But patience is key here. On the other hand, paid search is like setting up a flashy billboard in the middle of the marketplace. It gets you noticed quickly, but yep, you've got to pay for that prime spot. So, whether you're planting seeds for organic growth or investing in a flashy billboard, mastering SEO is your ticket to success in the online world. Dive in, make waves, and let your website be the star it deserves to be. Until our next digital adventure, keep shining and optimizing.